Autodesk come up with enhancement in Revision Cloud. Revision Cloud mostly used to highlight the drawing area which we need. Under Draw, you will find the Revision Cloud. So there are the different shape. You can use rectangular Revision Cloud, polygonal shape Revision Cloud, or freehand. If you click on a Revision Cloud and select the first point and drag the cursor diagonally away from the first point to create a Revision Cloud. So you will find that the constant arc length Revision Cloud created. Just click over here and now see the Revision Cloud created. Previously, Revision Cloud act as a polyline, but in Autodesk AutoCAD 2021, it's no longer the polyline. To check this, just select over it and say property. So here under property, you will see it is written as Revision Cloud. It is no more as a polyline. If you want to change the arc length of this Revision Cloud, then under miscellaneous, you will see the arc length. Now you can change the value of arc length as per your requirement. Now see, it will automatically update it. So this is the new enhancement with the Revision Cloud. If you want to change the arc length as constant or variable, you can have the control over the Revision Cloud. Just have to type Rev Cloud arc variance. Now here the system variable is on. So if you want to lock the arc length of the Revision Cloud, so you can make it off. So by changing the variable, you can have the control of arc length of Revision Cloud.